Euro AUD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Euro against Australian dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and press the bell notification. And below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and the prop firm. The link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. If you want the maximum benefits out of your Forex and gold trading, then make sure you join this monthly membership after watching this video. And coming back to the chart here, Euro AUD, starting with the top-down approach. Let's go to weekly chart. In weekly chart, you can clearly see we are in the trend reversal. So we are in the downtrend now. And then if you go to Delhi, in Delhi, we have just crossed the EMA. So this is the confirmation of the downtrend. But downtrend was started right from here. Okay, this long red candle eaten the previous blue candle. So this was the confirmation when this reversal started. But now we are officially in the downtrend. Let's go back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we had been below the EMA since this time period, you can see. So all these new low, okay. So what you need to do is you need to, just take, sell trades after every pullback. Okay. So if you want to trade Euro UAD, Euro AUD, keep it simple. Enter short positions after every pullback. For example, right now we are going down. So let it go down, then pull back, then enter, and then take your profits, right? So long story short, we are in the downtrend now, Euro AUD. Look for shorts, and these videos are recorded at different times. You are watching them at a different time, and live trades we enter at different times. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the membership. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends who are into trading. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.